Hey guys, welcome to another Gauging Gadgets Garmin InReach Mini tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to set up your Garmin InReach Mini. This includes creating an account at explore.garmin.com, getting your subscription, and then activating your Garmin InReach Mini with the Iridium network. So to get started, the first thing we need to do is open up a browser either on our phone or computer and navigate to explore.garmin.com. Now, if you don't already have an account, on here, what you want to do is scroll down and select Create a New Account. And we're going to be doing Activate New InReach Service. So I'm going to select New InReach Account. And in here, you can select what type of plan you want, either personal or professional plans. I'm going to be doing personal plans. And they do have two different types, freedom plans, which are going to be a 30-day commitment, so basically monthly, and then annual plans where you can save a little bit more money, but you have to commit to a year. So I'll select that. Once we get to this page, we need to get some information from our InReach Mini. So now we need to first turn on our InReach Mini, and we do that by just holding down the power button on the top for a couple seconds. You should see the Garmin logo. Then we need to go through the steps here. So select your language. You can navigate through the languages using the buttons on the left side, and then select it by using the OK button on the right side here. So I'll select English. So it's letting us know it needs a subscription. Once it shows that message, it'll be in device setup. We need to select activate with the OK button. It's going to tell us to go to explore.garmin.com, which we already have. So go ahead and select OK again. And then it's going to give us the information we need to set up our Garmin InReach Mini. So this will be your IMEI and then your authorization code. So go ahead and get these numbers and enter them into the website that we were just on. Once you enter the information into the Explore website, you need to create your account. So go ahead and enter all the information they require. One thing to keep in mind, if you already have a Garmin watch or any Garmin device, you can log in with that account. So just select I already have a Garmin account. Once you enter your contact information, you need to enter any emergency contacts that will be contacted if you do use this for emergencies for SOS. So you can do a primary contact and a secondary contact. Go ahead and enter that in, then go to the bottom and select Next. After you enter your emergency contacts, you need to select your service plan type. So you have contract plan, which is the 12-month contract, and then we have the freedom plan. So I'm going to select that. Keep in mind the annual freedom plan fee is going to be $34. I'm going to select freedom. Then when I scroll down, it's going to ask me what type of plan I want. So as you can see, first they have the safety plan, which is only $14.95 a month, but you are limited to 10 text messages. They have a couple other plans that are a little lower cost. I'm going to go ahead and select the expedition plan just so I have unlimited everything. And it also gives you unlimited 2-minute tracking. So if people are following you on your trip, they can see an updated location every 2 minutes, which is pretty cool. One important thing, each of the plans has unlimited SOS. So even if you only have a safety plan, you still get the peace of mind of SOS. I'm going to select Expedition and then select Next. After that, you can choose some SOS features. So it includes the emergency response coordinations. So they'll work with whatever is in your area to try to get you some help. But you can also kind of get some insurance for search and rescue services. So up to $50,000 per incident with a maximum of $100,000, which is only $25. I'm going to go ahead and pass on that right now, but it's cool that they have that option. So I'll select Next. All right, so after that, you simply review the information you entered and then enter your billing information so that you can pay them for the service. All right, so now it's going to go through the process of activating your InReach. It does say to make sure that it has a clear view of the sky. So I'm going to go outside real quick while it does this. All right, I can see that the activation was completed on my phone, so it's now updated in the Iridium network. And now we're just going to wait for my InReach to activate. So really impressed. It only took it about 5 minutes to activate it. And now it's just waiting for a confirmation again. All right, so the activation is complete, and it took a total of 6 minutes from the beginning to the end. So that confirmation was only an additional minute. All right, so now that we've activated our InReach Mini with the Iridium network, we can now pair it with our phone to see our location on maps, to see weather, and also send messages from our phone to anyone in the world. So the first thing we need to do to get started with that is go to your respective app store based on whatever phone you have, download and install the Earthmate app from Garmin, and check the description. I'll have direct links down there to make it a little bit easier on you to find it. Once you get it installed, go ahead and open it up. And you can log in if you want, but I'm just going to go ahead and select Connect your InReach device. It's going to ask me what device I have. Select the InReach Mini. And then we just need to put our InReach Mini in pairing mode, which should have come up after it was activated. So I'll select OK to put it in pair. And then I'm going to pair device, select OK again, and now it's pairing, and I'll select Connect in the app. Came up in the list of accessories, so I'll select that one. And then on my InReach Mini, you can see that it's now connected to iPhone. One of the cool things about the Earthmate app is you can have offline maps on your phone so you can view those, things like that. So I'll go ahead and select download now. So it'll get those downloaded. So now you can select the back button and you'll be able to go back to the front page right here where you can see any notifications you have and also your battery life and time. All right, so that's how you set up your InReach Mini, both on the Iridium network and also pair it with your phone. If you have any questions about this, leave a comment below. I'll get back to you as soon as I can. If you'd like to see more Garmin InReach Mini tutorial videos, check the links in the description. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up and please consider subscribing to my channel, Gauging Gadgets, for more gadget reviews and tech tutorials. Thank you so much for watching.